Hello, in today's video, we'll discuss how to withdraw money from Cash App at an ATM. Watch until the end to understand the process completely. Before we begin, please note that you'll need a Cash App card to withdraw money from an ATM. Also, Cash App doesn't support withdrawing funds directly from your savings account, so ensure you transfer money to your checking account before withdrawal. Now, here's how to get money off Cash App from an ATM. Check card activation. Open your Cash App and go to the Cash Card tab. If your card isn't activated, you'll see instructions on how to do this. Find a compatible ATM. Once your card is activated, find a compatible ATM. Withdraw money. Insert your card into the ATM and enter your PIN. Select the withdrawal option and enter the amount. The ATM will confirm the amount and dispense the cash. Collect the cash, your card, and the receipt. And that's how you can get money off Cash App from an ATM. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.